Now as I'm doing this video, the Nio stock price is down 7%, which is something that shows you the volatility within this stock. I mean, yesterday we were very happy from the gains we saw of over 12%, and seeing Nio coming down 7% today, it's just not good. But the gains that we saw yesterday are still much more than the losses or the big drops we are seeing today. So this shows you the volatility that is onto Chinese EV makers or Chinese EV stocks like Nio. Nio today, it is the one that is being hurt the most, whilst yesterday we saw Nio being the stock that is doing the most in terms of the gains. I mean, Leo today is down 5.4%, Xbank down 6.7%, Zika is down 5.99%, whilst Tesla, as I'm doing this video, is up 3.15%. Tesla yesterday, it was the only EV stock on a red. The other EV stocks, even including Lucid, Rivian, they were all on a green. But Rivian today is not losing that much, down 1.3%, while Lucid is down 6.7%. So this, in a nutshell, it means that most of the Chinese EV makers are down. Most of the EV stocks are down today, which I wonder what changed from yesterday, which shows you, of course, the manipulation that happens or that takes place into the stock market. But the good thing is that at least the drop or the huge drop that we are seeing, even onto our favorite stock Nio, it's not more than that or the gains we saw yesterday. So it is a good day, a wonderful day to load the boat, to increase our holdings onto Nio, because Nio, it is a company which is set for greatness. Nio fundamentals continue improving, and therefore even the share price of Nio, one way or the other, in the long term it shall recover. Nio is a company which is expecting to do very well, or which is expected to do very well by the investors, especially from the comments or from what Nio has been saying and what Nio has been achieving. I mean, I know Nio is not yet a profitable company, but 2026 Nio said they will become a profitable company. There is demand onto the Onvo L60. There is a quite good demand onto Nio as a whole, and this includes, of course, the sub-brand Onvo, which therefore, with this demand that we are seeing, I personally believe, or I have no doubt, that Nio will get to profitability, which is something that is just so amazing. I mean, so many of the big financial institutions, especially after the Q3 earnings, become bullish or turned bullish or reiterated their bullish sentiment onto Nio. And that, ladies and gents, it is an encouragement, a motivation to us as retail investors to say that because those big guys are bullish onto Nio, because they are also increasing their holdings onto Nio, then we ought to do the same. I mean, yesterday we saw Nio volume going over 100 million. I mean, yesterday we saw Nio volume around 100 million, which is something that was so incredible, so amazing to see, which shows you that those that might be wanting to time this stock, they might not get it right. Because if we are to see days when Nio stock is up 15%, 12%, it simply means that from when is current trading at to $10, it might not take as long as what some of the people are thinking it will. Some people are thinking because from $10 to $4 or $4.80 when it's at, it took this long, then even to go back from where it is to $10, it might take the same period which it took from to fall from $10 to $4, which that might not be the case, especially if Nio fundamentals continue improving, especially if Nio continues to perform as they project. I mean, this month Nio is expected to sell 30,500 based on the guidance they gave during their Q3 earnings. But I saw especially that today, after the insurance registrations, some of the new retail investors don't see this happening, or don't see Nio delivering as they projected, and that is the deliveries of 30,500 right now in December. But me, I just said it's possible. Let's wait. Let's let Nio cook, and hopefully things get better. I mean, if there's one thing that we've been getting from news executive, especially the Onvo president, he has been saying, reiterating that they will deliver 10,000 deliveries. I mean, I've seen quite number of rumors, quite number of comments made by the Nio retail investors saying that Nio will fail to deliver 10,000 deliveries of Onvo L60. But ladies and gents, I'm here to tell you that the fact that the Nio Onvo president has been telling us 10,000 for the past like 3 months, or since they launched this car in September, I think you and me can agree, or should trust, that they will deliver that. I think the way the Onvo president has been reiterating this points out to a very strong signal to say, indeed, we will get this, or this shall come to pass, which is something that is pretty exciting, something that we look forward to. So yes, I know the share price of Nio might not be where we want it to. I know today we might be down 7% as I'm doing this video, but long term will win, man. I know that long term will win. Blue sky will come, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will be the ones with the final laugh, or with the last smile, because they would have persevered throughout the headwinds of the share price, which is not following the fundamentals that Nio is putting out for all to see, but rather just following whatever the manipulators are doing in the markets, and that is to bring the Nio share price down. So hanging there, these are the days where we load. This is the day where we load, increase our holdings onto Nio, with the anticipation of Nio getting to profitability, or full year profitability, by 2026. So I'm happy. Blue sky is coming, man, and I just thought I'd give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. Yeah, don't forget to hit the likes button, comment, subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Take me some time to make these videos, and all I ask from you is to give it a thumbs up as I give you latest development, or latest development relating to the Nio stock. I talk only Nio on this channel, and therefore if you are a Nio follower, or you want to know more about Nio, or be up to date, then subscribe to this channel and press onto that notification bell. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.